Hello, Business English learners. Welcome back to Bite Size English Lesson with Ajarn Alvin, Episode 6. So, this is our second part of discussing business English. And just a short recap, last episode, we talked about the phrase, back to the drawing board, which means it demonstrates our focus and persistence in facing challenges and trying again. So this positive statement promotes innovation and problem solving, which are essential business abilities. Now class, let's go back to our episode today. And this time, we will focus on the phrase as soon as possible, a common expression in both business and everyday conversations used to express urgency. So this lesson is particularly relevant to our B2B course, as it is essential to deal with urgent matters in a way that is simple and straightforward. Now, since we are talking about business English lessons, please remember that our course is ongoing every Wednesday from August 21st to September 25th. I would suggest that you take advantage of these sessions to enhance your ability to communicate, especially in business settings. Class, what does the acronym ASAP or as soon as possible mean? English learners, as I research this phrase as soon as possible, there is one significant study that stands out to me. And this is the study conducted by Gary Martin. By the way, Gary Martin is a writer and researcher on the origins of phrases and the creator of the Phrase Finder website. So here is what he found about this phrase. According to Gary Martin, ASAP is somewhat unique among acronyms. First of all, it is important to remember that it can be pronounced either by spelling it out the letters ASAP or as one word like ASAP. Another finding of Gary Martin that catches my attention is that this phrase as soon as possible is originated in military communication. The first example that he found of its use in print is from Captain Anis G. Thompson's report of the Korean War, the Greatest Airlift of 1954. And he quoted that emergency drops required no paper, merely a telephone call from the 8th Army in Korea. Most drops were made on as ASAP or as soon as possible basis. So from then on, the phrase became widely used and remains common in both military as well as civilian situations today. In fact, this phrase has become somewhat common and is now used in many different kinds of situations, ranging from formal to informal communication. So class, here is my take on this phrase as soon as possible. In simple terms, it means getting your work done or fulfilling a task urgently and without any wasted time. In addition, this phrase is commonly used in business situations to indicate that something needs to be done immediately. Now, let us explore some examples to see how they can be used effectively. Let's take a look at a business situation. Imagine a manager asking their team to complete a report. They might say, "Please finish the quarterly report as soon as possible." So in this sentence, as soon as possible indicates that the task is urgent and should be prioritized. The manager is not merely requesting that the report be finalized. They are also pointing out that it is an important task that needs immediate attention. So learners, in this sample business situation, the phrase ASAP is used where there are limitations on time or when the information is important for upcoming meetings or actions. The communication builds an environment of importance without giving an exact due date, allowing the team to decide upon their own schedule for finishing the task while maintaining the high standard. Another example is from our own experience as a lecturer in the English department. Imagine a student urgently needs feedback on their assignment. A lecturer might say, and I quote, "We will review your assignment and provide feedback as soon as possible." So class, in this situation, the phrase ASAP reassures the student that their request will be prioritized and resolved with urgency. So this phrase is commonly used in academic settings as well to effectively manage expectations and ensure student satisfaction. It demonstrates the department's commitment to providing timely support and understanding the importance of quick responses in a learning environment. Okay, that's all for today, Business English learners. Remember this. When we say as soon as possible, we are fulfilling a task quickly and without any wasted time. It is a tremendous phrase to use when there is a need for urgent responses and time is limited. Being able to use this phrase effectively can help you manage time and expectations in a business environment. All right, that's a wrap. Business English learners, see you next time. And as always, happy learning.